a 2007 Toyota Camry 2.4. Today we're gonna replace the alternator. So the first thing is to release or disconnect the ground cable. So you can see this one is really bad. So it was not charging no more. Okay, remove this. It's really easy to do this job. So we disconnect this one, just press this down. We're gonna remove this number 10. So I'm gonna reuse this one. So I'll put it right here. Okay. And open. This one. I'll remove this clip. This one here. So I use this one. So we're gonna remove this one, 14, and that one, there's a number 12. Okay, and this is 14. So we're gonna use a pry bar to remove the alternator. So just be careful with the hose, okay? Alright, so we'll remove the old alternator. As you can see, it's making noise, and also the pulley is twisted, it's bended. So right here is a new part for Napa. And put this ball here to hit it right here to try to push this little piece right here, because it's gonna be easier to do installation. As you can see, if you don't put that piece flush to the alternator, it's gonna be really hard to install the alternator. Sorry guys, my camera battery died, so the only thing was to put this back, all the connectors, and bowl number 12, 14. It's really easy to replace this alternator, and the last thing I want to do is reconnect the ground cable, and because this one was making a little noise. So let's see if that makes the noise. So it fits. Okay, so the voltage is 410, so it's good. Alright guys, thank you. See you next time.